Good morning to one and all. Welcome to DAV Public School, Kugatpalli. Today we are going to learn English. As your periodic test is nearing, let us have some revision from English. Children, you should eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and take rest properly. Okay, children, take care of yourself. Drink plenty of water. Okay, and work while you work and play while you play. And do only one work at a time. Do only one work at a time. Is it clear, children? First, I'll be teaching you comprehension. You have to read the passage. Read the passage. And answer the questions. That follow. Read the passage and answer the question that follow. Let me erase the board so that I can write the entire paragraph to you. Read the passage given below. And answer the questions that follow. Read the passage given below. Bali and Ali were very good friends. Bali and Ali were very good friends. Bali was blind. He can't see. And Ali was lame. He can't walk. They lived in a village near the forest. Where was the village? It was near the forest. The village was near the forest. One day, Ali and Bali wanted to go to and the next village. One day they wanted to go to the other side of the forest. One day they wanted to go to the other side of the forest. Bali is blind, he cannot see. And Ali, he can't walk. So how can they go? So they thought of a plan. Blind Bali carried lame Ali on his shoulders. So they wanted to go to the forest. So how can they go? Because one cannot walk, one cannot see. So Bali carried Ali on his shoulders. On his shoulders, and Ali showed the way how to go. He was telling, and Bali was moving like that. Then they saw a bear. Ali saw a bear. So Bali carried Ali on his shoulders. Ali showed Bali the way. Ali saw a bear because Ali can see with his eyes. Ali saw a bear and he told Bali, what you will tell to Bali? To stop near a tree. And he climbed the tree. Ali saw a bear and he told Bali to stop near a tree and he climbed the tree. Now, Bali, what can he do? When the bear growled, Bali knew that there was a bear near him. Bear will make sound? No. When the bear growled, Bali knew there was a bear near him. What he will do? He cannot climb the tree. So what he did? He lay down on the ground. The bear came near him and thought he was dead. and thought he was dead. Ali came down and asked what the bear had said to him. Bali replied, the bear told me to choose my friend wisely. So I'll write the reply. What did Bali say to Ali? I'll give the reply. What did Bali say to Ali? Bali said, the bear told me to choose my friends wisely. Means the person who is not helping you when you are in danger, they are not your real friends. I will read out once again. Look at the paragraph. Bali and Ali were very good friends. Bali was blind and Ali was lame. Bali cannot see and Ali cannot walk. They lived in a village near the forest. One day, Ali and Bali wanted to go to the other side of the forest. Bali carried Ali on his shoulders. Ali showed Bali the way. Ali saw a bear and he told Bali to stop near a tree. And he climbed the tree. When the bear growled, Bali knew there was a bear near him. He lay down on the ground. The bear came near him and thought he was dead. Then Bali said to Ali that the bear told me to choose my friends wisely. The bear told me to choose my friends wisely. Now answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. We'll read the passage and you will be answering. Select any two special names and common names. Select any two special names and common names. So special names will begin with capital letter. For comprehension, you will select from the passage only. Bali is a special name. Ali is a special name. Bali is a special name and Ali is a special name. You read the passage, I will erase and write the answer. Special name, special name. Friends. All our friends we call them as friends only. So friends is a common noun. Bali was blind and Ali was lame. They lived in a village. Common noun. Near the forest. Common noun. One day Ali and Bali wanted to go to the other side of the forest. Bali carried Ali on his shoulders. Soldiers are also common noun. Ali showed Bali the way. Ali saw a bear. Bear is common noun. And he told Bali to stop near a tree. Many common nouns are there. And he climbed the tree. When the bear growled, Bali knew there was a bear near him. He lay down on the ground. Ground is a common noun. The bear came near him and thought he was dead. Bolly said, the bear told me to choose my friends wisely. Friend is common noun. So I'll erase the first line. Here you have special names Bolly and Ali. Bolly and Ali. Well, very good friends. Bolly and Ali were very good friends. Special names Bolly, Ali. Common names, common nouns, special names, common names. Or you can write nouns also. Okay. Friends. Friends is a common noun. Village is a common noun. Select some more common nouns, children. Pick up some common nouns. Select from the passage. So common noun is also called common names. Special names, common names are village, forest. You can select any word and write here because there are many words. So I gave you time to read out and pick. Now, what is the opposite of far? Far, opposite near. Far opposite is near. Opposite word. Far, near. What is the opposite of far? Near. What is the opposite? Up, down. Start, stop. Start, stop. I'll erase next two lines. So opposite of start, stop. Far, near. Write the opposites. Write the opposites. Start. STOP, stop. You will select from the passage only. For, near. The answer is from the passage only. Okay. Done. Give the plural. Write the plural form. Soldier. Shoulder, shoulder. Write the plural form. Shoulder. Shoulder is singular. Shoulders is plural. Shoulder is singular. Shoulders is plural. So you have to select it from the passage and you have to write friend, friends, friend, friends. Read the passage 2-3 times, then pick up from the passage. Your answers are from the passage itself. So you have to read the paragraph and you have to write the answers. You have to write the answers from the paragraph. Next we move on to composition. The class here special names will begin with capital letter and common names will begin with small letter. And you are selecting the opposites from the passage and you are selecting the plural form from the passage. Composition. Write in 5 sentences about your favorite bird. Which birds you like, you can write about it. Parrot, peacock, whichever bird you like, you can write about it. So, my favorite bird is parrot. Okay. What is the color of the parrot? Parrot is green in color. Or you can write in plural form, parrots are green in color. Because all the parrots are green in color. Most of the parrots are green in color. And they have a, how is a beak? Curve. The beak is having curved beak. Everybody likes the beak of the parrot. It is red in color. They can fly at very high speeds. You can see many parrots are flying. They eat fruits and seeds. Sometimes they will eat flowers also. They are one of the favorite pet of many people. Writing 5 sentences about your favorite bird. You can write parrot. My favorite bird is parrot. Parrots are green in color and they have a curved beak. They can fly at very high speeds. They eat fruits and seeds. They are one of the favorite pet of many people. So they are also one of the favorite One of the favorite pet for many people. There are many pets are there. Yes, dogs are our pets. Okay. We can say that one of the favorite pets also you can say. Because dogs are there. Then cats are there. Read it once, children. Clear is it? This is only revision. You can understand how to understand, how to write a composition, how to answer for comprehension. This is mainly for understanding the concept. Okay, children, try to understand how to write a composition, comprehension, everything. Now, composition, whatever topic comes, you have to think about it and write on your own in 5 sentences. Next, pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, in place of a noun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, that is in place of a noun. Fill in the blanks. Using pronouns. Fill in the blanks using pronouns. Hello, Rahul. How are, what will come here? You will come or he will come? How are you? Hello Rahul, how are you? Asif and Ali are friends. Dash are playing. What will come in dash? Two children are there. Asif and Ali are playing. So you will write, they are playing. They are playing. Ritu is 8 years old. Where is Ritu studying? DAV Public School. Ritu is 8 years old. Ritu is a girl. So you will write, she is studying in DAV Public School. Raj has a ball. Raj is a boy. So what you will write? He. He plays with the ball. So he plays with it. Raj has a ball. He plays with it. Or he plays with the ball also you can write. Raj has a ball. He plays with it. Because it is a thing you can use it. So for pronouns we will use I, we, you, he, she, it, they. You have to read the sentences and you have to use. If it is first person, we use I. Second person, we and you. This third person, he, she, it, they. So I'll read out once again. Fill in the blanks using pronouns. Hello, Rahul, how are you? Asif and Ali are friends. They are playing. Ritu is 8 years old. She is studying in DAV Public School. Raj has a ball. He plays with it. Okay, children? Read it once. Next we move on to compound nouns. Today teacher is teaching you comprehension, composition, pronouns and compound nouns. Compound nouns. This is all I am doing revision, so I am teaching you 4 different headings to you. Compound nouns. 2 nouns join to make a compound noun. 2 nouns join to make a compound noun. Milk is a noun and man is a noun. It becomes milkman. Milk plus man is milkman. Sun plus light becomes sunlight. Sun plus light will become sunlight. 2 nouns, when we add together, they will make a compound noun. Flower plus pot becomes flower pot. Flower plus pot will become flower pot. Key plus chain will become key chain. Key plus chain will become key chain. Post plus man, postman. He posts a letter. A man is carrying a letter and posting a letter. And it is delivered by a postman. Read out once. Milk plus man is equal to milkman. Sun plus light is equal to sunlight. When you add sun and light, it becomes sunlight. Flower plus pot is flower pot. Key plus chain is equal to key chain. Post plus man is equal to postman. Here, 2 different nouns we are adding together and making a compound noun. Children, is it clear? So for comprehension, you have to read a passage. After reading the passage, you have to pick up the questions whatever is asked in the passage. They may ask you meanings, opposites, singular, plural, or answer the following. From there only questions also can be framed. Okay, children? And compositions you will write on your own. For pronouns, we'll use he, she, it, they, I, my, them, like that different pronouns we'll use. And compound nouns, two nouns will be given. You join them and make a new word that is called compound noun. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Have a good day.